Hello there, welcome to MarineMax in Stuart. This is Bill Masquez, and today I'm gonna give you a quick walkthrough of this wonderful Galeon 400 fly. And now we are at the aft section of the 400 fly. Look at this wide, inviting area. I don't know if you are in a 100-foot yacht and you see this fully deployed, you're gonna be looking at this boat. So right now we're ready to go swimming. Over here we have storage for our toys, fenders, lines, ladder right over here to get in and out of the water. And imagine we have another section to open over the other side. I cannot open it due to the dock. So that's your beach mode on the 400 fly. We got hungry, my specialty, grilling. Right back here, out of the way, I have my ice bucket with the food. I have a sink to clean my hands, have a grill to grill obviously, and over here a cutting area to prep my food, or have my spices sitting over. And we are away from our guests and smoke, and everything is going totally outside of the boat. Nice alfresco seating right over here, L-shaped. Table opens up both ways, and when this side, this beach mode is down, this seat actually converts. Hey, you can be sitting this way, enjoying the view and everything else around you. Remember, we're on a 40-foot boat. Look at the salon. It's very, very spacious. You have seating all around with a TV hiding right behind me. All your power panel over there, opposing seating. Nice dining area with a table over here. I would like to note also that this section moves all the way out when you have the doors open, and it connects with the L-shaped seating area outside. Over here we have a full galley, starting with a sink and storage right over there, induction stovetop, and convection oven, actually purpose oven with convection microwave. Your fridge is right over here. Very special area, your down helm. You can see you have all the instruments you will ever need. Huge Raymarine screens, Volvo Penta, bow thrusters, your controls, start and stop the engine, trim tabs, and autopilot. If you notice, I can get out and handle lines or help out right through this access. As you come down, you're facing the VIP cabin. You can see right now is in a divided format. You can also remove the wedge and bring these two beds together so you have a nice queen size berth. Storage all around, windows all around, and up on top we really are closing everything to reduce the amount of light that gets into here. The views are awesome. You have your head access from inside. This is the day head, mind you, but you do have your private VIP access to the day head. Which also has a secondary access for its main purpose. Going down further, we have the master cabin. Here's the master cabin. Huge bed in the middle, nice little desk area and makeup mirror right over here. Beautiful views, both sides, through and through. Storage all around. Private master head right behind you. And this one is a dry head, so you have a separate section for shower. And we are here up in the flybridge, the best part of the boat, in my opinion. Full helm station, everything you need is just in the reach of your hands. Your family can be all around you. The views are unbelievable. Can be a multifunction area, such as dining, drinks, or just hanging around and enjoying the sun. Up on top we have this very large bimini, which is totally removable if you wanted to just enjoy the sun. Thanks for watching this brief presentation on the Galeon 400 Fly. I hope you enjoyed it. This is again Bill Maskas, MarineMax in Stuart.